Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is an unboxing of a Robotics Mekamon robot that I got off eBay. As you can see, it comes in a 3.3 kilograms, a really sturdy box, 3.68 gross weight. So let's open the box. It's also got a UK battery label on the side, or international battery label on the side, because there are LiPo batteries inside the box. The cardboard itself is really thick. I mean, that's triple ply, possibly quadruple ply. I mean, I'll definitely be keeping these boxes for something else. The fantastic box inside with a peel to open sticker on it. So let's lift this out. So Mekamon comes in its own extremely sturdy box. Really impressive looking. They've obviously done a lot of work on this. It's kind of Steve Jobs style of design, and there's this peel to open sticker. So let me just peel to open that. I think that's the only one. There may be another. Oh, let me check. Yes, there's another peel to open sticker on the bottom, because it's not moving. Okay, peel to open stickers, and now I should hopefully be able to lift off this without tearing it. The other one gone back on. Whoa, that's a really tight fit. That really isn't going anywhere. The sticker's sticking. Really solid, thick, high quality plastic cover, and then the box itself, as you can see, a beautiful black box with orange trim, and you can't open it straight away, and it says here push to open. Okay, so I think you need to push that in and then lift this up. So I'll just tilt it on its side to do it, just to get it over there. Push in, lift up. Okay, that's beginning to shift. I really keep stressing it, but this is such a fantastic build. Really, when you think, you know, these are expensive robots. In the top of the box, there's a neoprene mat, which is used by the Mekamon to do augmented reality. So let me just carefully put that to one side. Then we've got a quick start guide, which basically gives you the quick start, and actually turns into a fantastic poster. Look at that. That is really brilliant. And then there's a very sturdy internal packaging with thick foam, and if I lift that off, look at the thickness of that. That is utterly amazing. And then inside there's the Mekamon itself, if I can just lift it out nice and gently. So there's the Mekamon. It's absolutely huge, fantastic robot. Then there's some ancillary guns which go onto the Mekamon and other sensors. the protective pads that actually go over the legs of the Mekamon to stop it getting damaged. And finally, in the bottom there's a battery, which is a LiPo battery, and then in this case this one has got an EU transformer in it, which is no problem because it's 240 volts for the UK, and so I just need to use one of my EU adapters to get that into being a UK plug. Now I'd like to say that I'll just plug in the battery and use it, but sadly the company that made Mekamon went bust, as quite often happens, and these particular robots have been in storage, so the lithium batteries have discharged below the safe level for lithium batteries. So what I'm going to have to do is to work on that to get it charged. Once I get it charged, I'll be doing a part 2 video which is actually showing you Mekamon, what it's like and what it does. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out all my other robots and other money saving tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.